Dadayo tayo. Sasamahan lang natin si JM. Sama natin si Justin.
Yun, let's go.
First quarter. That's his first repetition.
Guys, tapos na yung laro natin, pare. Tapos na, panalo. Medyo nakauna lang, medyo maganda yung lamang. Swinerte lang. Tara, uwi na tayo.
Kumbaga si God, may purpose siya kung bakit ka nilagay dun sa ganung sitwasyon. Kung mahirap ka, mayaman ka, or nasa middle class ka. Yung plano ni Lord na umunlad tayo, lumago tayo, and not to harm you. Ang pinaka-importante is syempre yung spiritual natin.
We have talents, we are given the spiritual gifts simula nung nakilala mo si Lord.
Sipag ah. Pagkataas ng devotion, sipag natin ah.
Sipag-sipagan lang to, Bishan.
Let's sing on to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else in our zone.
Yan, kakain na.
Kakaiba yung paborito ni Coach, tuyo, itlog, kaya noodles. Hindi ko kinakain sa Africa to eh, hindi ko alam itong pagkain na to eh. Ang alam ko lang kainin, kamote eh. This is only the first time na matikman ko itong ganitong klaseng pagkain.
Ngayon, kung nahirapan dito, ilapit mo na ng washer. Yung jump shot. Yan.
Hindi jump shot ko yun, yung makikita ko.
Go. Gumagawa ka ng program,
Right.
Walang 200 eh.
3.
Ang hirap mo maging shooter. Sa akin, di coach, basic.
Basic na, basic. Oh.
Tingnan mo.
Ay, wala.
Sinil.
Laban ka sa akin? Ulit? Mamaya?
Pagdaw sa amin, watch.
Wawa naman tong bata na to.
Ayusin mo ha.
Oo, boss.
Ayusin mo.
Medyo singkit ka.
Ayusin mo yan. Pag di yan maayos ka mo.
Okay lang mo. Kuwang-kuwa ah. Kuwang-kuwa kuya. Safe na kuya.
Kaya na? Kuha ba?
Okay na,
Kuha.
kuwang-kuwa. Safe na. Kuwang-kuwa ang inis.
Kuha mo inis.
Papa-laundry. Yes, yan.
Tatapon.
Tatapon ba yan?
Tapon.
Tapon na. Ang daming tatapon ah.
I've been alone too long. Gotta learn how to walk with my shadow. I've been so low in my lane till you showed up out of nowhere. Damn, now I got a halo. So keep.
Tao po.
Can you feel the beat, all the energy? I loved it all from start. Can you see it clear, all the happy years? I kept them in my heart.
Sa isang tunay na disciple ni Lord, sa isang tunay na iniligtas ng Panginoon, di pwede na. Hindi pwedeng, ayos lang yan. Konti lang naman ito. Dapat total surrender. And if you are a transformed person in the Lord, kung sinasabi mo dahil ikaw ay binago na ng Panginoon, you will treat other people without pretension.
The time of our lives, it was all about fun. We were the kids, it was all about fun. A shame we grow older. Remember it like it was yesterday. We were the kids and we did okay. Remember it like it was yesterday. We were the kids and we did okay. A shame we grow older. When it was all about fun, when it was all about out, it was all about fun. When it was all about out, it was all about fun. When it was all about out, when it was all about fun. The time